Okay, I received this from the brand for an honest review. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it and take a look. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open it and see. Look at all the things that come with it. This is great. Different types of scrubbing brushes so you can get into those hard to reach places. This is more of a soft, more like a microfiber kind of towel. You can see it comes with the different bars to put it together, and then this one too. This one's more of a rough one, like a scouring pad feel, but I can feel that it's made with really good quality. It feels amazing, like it's good weight. So let's put it together and try it out. While we're waiting for it to charge, we'll just go over these bristle heads. It's a hard brush head, and it's super powerful, and it's specially designed to deal with thick and stubborn stains such as oil stains and dirt on the kitchen floor and dried up soil on outdoor tools, things like that. This one here is the softer bristle brush head. It's gentle, more suitable for cleaning fragile or easily scratched items such as glassware or precious wooden furniture. The plush cloth one would be this one. It has good water absorption and can effectively absorb dust and fine particles. It's mostly used to clean areas with more dust, such as windowsills and bookshelves. And this is the scouring pad roller, and it has strong decontamination ability and can easily handle common stains. It's a good helper for daily cleaning of kitchen countertops and bathroom fixtures. Okay, it's all charged up, and we're gonna go ahead and unplug it. And here is the power button. And it has 3 different modes, as you can see the different speeds. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. Excellent for hard to reach places like the top of our shower. I have this kind of hard area to dust, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Love this spin brush. It made my life and cleaning my home so much easier. So if you're looking for something like this, I would highly recommend giving this one a try.